If you are on the Zoo airdrop, pay attention to this very video. The Zoo team just dropped a very important information few minutes ago. Total supply for the Zoo token is 264 trillion token. This is very huge. In the history of Web3, personally, I have not seen this kind of total supply. Okay, this seems to me like a meme token, and this is very important. In this video, let's take a critical look at this total supply, what I think is going to be the circulating supply, the Zoo tokenomics, and the price prediction. All of these in this very video. So pay attention and watch this video all the way to the very end. If you look at the tokenomics right here, which is very, very important, 66% to miners right at this point, and 34% for future development, that's future growth. But if you read this very statement, before now, this tokenomics was not like this. Before now, it was 60% for miners and 40% for future growth. But from their good gesture, they gave additional 6%. Community bonus, friends, we have decided to allocate another additional 6% to our community just because we appreciate you. Now, the tokenomics looks like this. So this is the tokenomics of the Zoo airdrop. 66% to miners, airdroppers, and future growth take 34%. This is very important. So out of this total number of token, which is 264 trillion Zoo token, 66% out of this is going to go to airdroppers, miners. And that is why we see huge token allocation. Okay, huge token allocation. We all know that the Zoo airdrop, the mining end, that was around 30th, 31st of January this year, if my memory serves me right. And right now, we were waiting for this very total supply so that we can really tell where the listing price is going to be, because that's very important. You can have a large quantity of a particular token, but if that token did not get a significant price, okay, it will not do well. Now, in any case, one thing that is very important about this very listing that is going to come soon is that it does not really matter in most cases if the token is very, very huge in supply. Okay, it can be very huge in supply, but we don't expect the price to be very high. Okay, but we can still make something reasonable out of this very token. That is just the truth, because what really move price up and down is buy and sell pressure, demand and supply. So if there is enough demand for this very token, it will still do well. So the question is $300 possible from this very token when it will hit major exchange? This is a very important question that almost everybody is asking right now. So let's go into the price prediction and look at, from this very total supply, what do you think is going to be the circulating supply and the price prediction? So for me, the circulating supply is going to be that of the airdropper, that of the miners. Look at it right here. So I am looking at 66%. However, not all the 66% is going to be in circulation, because what most of this Web3 team do nowadays is they do 66% or any percent they want to give to airdroppers, and they will remove some of this token. Okay, they will remove some of this token they are giving to airdroppers. They will not give everything. So I am not looking at 60% in circulation for the Zoo token instead of 100% or 66%. So I will do 60% out of the total supply, which is 264 trillion token. So if you do this calculation, you will discover that you are going to have this very number. So we do 264. So if 264 trillion, okay, is the total supply for this very token, and they are giving 66% to airdroppers, that means the total token that is going to miners is 174 trillion of this very token is going to airdroppers. So if we have the total supply to be 264 trillion, okay, and you do 60%, which is what I am expecting to be in circulation initially as this token get that listing, So if you do this multiply by 60%, you're going to have this as the total circulating supply. That is the amount of token that is going to be in circulation initially when it's listed. That is 158 trillion. So 158 trillion, okay, of this token is going to be in circulation at listing. This is very important. So with this, we can then know what the price is going to be by projecting the capitalization, that is the market capitalization of this very token, this very zoo airdrop. So what I am looking at to be the price is 0.601, okay, 601, which will give us a $15 million market capitalization for this very zoo token. This is my personal prediction, and this is very realistic. It's very, very possible for them to have a $15 million market capitalization, and the market is going to move upward to 0.602, which will give us a $31 million market capitalization, even up to 0.603, which will give us a $47 million market capitalization. So the price that you should be looking at, the range of price you should be looking at for this very token is 0.601 and 0.603. Within that range is where we're going to see this very price to be. This is very important. So what that translates into is, what is the quantity of the token that you have been allocated to right now? You use this and multiply by what you already have as your allocation, which is what we need to do right now. So if you have 100 million, let's say for example, you have 100 million of this very token, okay? 100 million of this token multiplied by 0.60, okay? 601. That means you'll be having $10, and multiplied by 0.603, okay, you're going to have $30. Another thing is, let's say you have 800 million of this very token, because I know a lot of people have a lot of this very token. Let's say 800 million multiplied by 0.601, that is $80, and 603, which is $240. In any case, I also think a $250, $300 is possible on this very token, especially for those people that have a good quantity of this very token. This is very important. So this is a very important update. This update was dropped just a few hours ago. Look at it right here, okay? And this is on the 14th of February 2025. Total supply 264 trillion of this very token as total supply, and I am expecting 60% to be in circulation, and this is very, very important. So look at the price between 0.601 and 0.603. This is what I am looking at right now to be the price of this very token when it hits a major exchange, and the listing is going to happen very soon, and we're going to wait for them to give that very announcement on this Telegram community. Comment below in the comment section of this very video. What do you think about this very total supply? Is it interesting for you for this token to have this kind of total supply, or it will make the token to go all the way to the downside? That means another dust on the way coming. Comment below right now in the comment section of this very video. And what is your price prediction? Comment also in the comment section of this very video. Let me see what you're thinking about this very token, because of this very huge total supply. Is too much. It looks like a meme token to me. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description, and also in the pinned comment for more crypto updates. Thanks for your support.